please continue, because that is very near to port also, poses security threat also. That's why the way we are thinking to keep the what you call boats other side of this office, so that they are not a threat to boat also. So we are providing about 500-meter length berth. For that tourism, what you call agriculture ministry also wanted to support.
Any discussion with the fishermen lobby?
Fishermen earlier we already entered into a MOU. Now when we get environmental clearance, when you're starting work, definitely we will dialogue with the fishermen. Of course, the giving the rehabilitation and all the state government can take care of as per the agreement.
So regarding another issue was the movement of coastal cargo through container ships.
Yeah.
Now you have said that 2 lines have come, the 3rd line is coming. Are you getting sufficient kind of cargo for?
No, that's the main problem, because you're not getting sufficient cargo. That's why shipping people are not showing interest. If cargo build-up is there, then definitely shipping line will come. We are going to have another HMC soon. Hope so. Thereafter, people will show it, confident on port.
So sometimes they are saying that the movement of cargo of container is less because the port does not have state-of-the-art shoal cranes. The shoal crane has been arranged.
We have one HMC that's about 9 years old. Sometimes goes out of order. That's also affecting. That's why we are already called contract. Because the long run, the port cannot invest much. So its capacity is rated capacity 6 million. So we are for we reach maximum 3.5 million. So we are not.
So berth number 10 and 11 are going to be privatized in the near future.
Near future. MPT is totally depends on mine for the last 100 years. After 2000, we identified some other cargo. 2000 mine stopped. Thereafter, the port cargo has come down from 50 million to 11 million. So iron ore definitely it's important, because without iron ore we can't cross more than 30 million. The maximum we can do only 30 million.
So as of now, there were plans for ropeway and RORO projects and all that. Anything on that front? Anything developing there?
See, RORO project we already awarded work in that RORO also there. And as you heard that IWI developing so many floating barges. From here, the river cruise experience they can have here also. As for ropeway project, it is given to IPRCL. For the last 2 years, because of COVID, they could not come here and do studies. So definitely they will come and establish. The new government has come, we will have a dialogue with them.